Girls.
We're here.
I know.
Oh, you just vanished from the shot.
This is awesome. Let's start with this. This bedroom needed a transformation.
When I first saw it, there
Yeah.
was a lot of stuff. It felt cluttered before. There was...
Yeah. There was a console that wasn't doing her any favors.
No.
There was no storage. It was just things were piled on top. Like it's like a normal
normal
bedroom.
mom's bedroom? Really?
Why not just moms aren't the only ones who live like that.
And it was a bit of a blank canvas other than the drapes. The drapes were that shot of
Yes.
color.
Yeah, they were great. Definitely time for a makeover.
The client wanted a mix. She has a very, I guess, preppy aesthetic. So we
Yeah.
knew she wouldn't be afraid of some color. They painted the ceiling a really rich blue. And then the wallpaper went up. Stacey had this vision from the get-go that she wanted grass cloth. And it adds that richness to plain walls
Yes.
that this room needed.
This beautiful color called Mineral. It's a little bit green, a little bit blue, which is perfect with the floors and the yellow. Working within our budget, we knew that we could get everything she needed from IKEA and make a huge difference in this space.
We decided to get rid of the console table, which was
Yes.
doing nothing, and replace it with a lot of drawers. And the best part, IKEA has a great line of pine furniture, so we could customize it.
Yes, and we painted it the most beautiful color by Farrow Ball called Mouse's Back. It looks like it's custom fit for that odd little nook at the end of the bedroom.
It's not too deep, it's only
Right.
about 15 inches. You're gonna be able to access absolutely everything in it. No lost underwear.
I looked at the camera like, uh-huh.
They were sleeping on a metal
Right.
bed frame
Right.
with
Yes.
box springs and a mattress.
Right.
The homeowner was hoping for a canopy bed, which would have, in my opinion, overwhelmed the space. So this bed was perfect. It's very hygge.
Is that how you say that?
Yeah.
The most important thing in any bedroom, let's get real, is the mattress. You want to have a great night's sleep, and this mattress from IKEA is fantastic.
Oh, come try it.
Oh, it's actually great.
Right?
Yeah.
You're kind of the queen of mixing and matching, especially
Right.
fabrics.
I had specific thoughts. I wanted it to feel comfortable and loose, and the colors that they have at IKEA right now are beautiful. They have 100% linen, Euro shams, and this beautiful pale pink. Then they had this sort of sateen pillowcases, and then we did more of the putty gray. I was so pleased with their selection of pillows. It's amazing. I think that they are gonna sleep like babies in here.
So who chose the side tables?
I was pushing
I
for
think
these,
you, Gia.
actually, yes.
I think they totally look fantastic. That color against the grass cloth looks wonderful, and they're light, and they have a drawer for storage, which I really liked.
I mean, I love the floors,
I love the floors.
but it's nice to have a rug underfoot in a bedroom.
I 100% agree. It's just about sound and coziness and comfort. You don't want to jump out of bed and put your bare feet on a cold floor. So this 100% wool rug from IKEA is fantastic, and a classic, I might add.
Yes.
And now it comes in gray and white.
Yes, the gray is just a bit softer than the black, and
Yes.
it's not as jarring as the red. It's perfect. The homeowner had a chair previously.
Which I really liked.
You love the frame.
Yes,
Yeah.
but we didn't have the budget to cover it. So she's gonna put that in her living room, and in the meantime, IKEA had this beautiful chair that had a lovely charcoal gray color. In every bedroom, you need a place to throw your clothes. And we feel this chair will fill that job perfectly.
And now we could give her a bench,
Yes.
which, so we did.
Yes.
But the best part, storage. Ooh, storage. Ooh.
Ooh.
Yay!
This is gonna be covered in clothes, let's be fair.
Yes.
You know?
Well, both those things, if it was my life.
There's a lot of lighting in this
You need
room.
a lot of lighting, I feel like. You have to layer your lighting in a bedroom because you don't want a big overhead light on when you're getting ready for bed or you're going to read. You want to be able to turn on side lights and get that comfort, cozy feeling. So we have like this small light over here on the dressers to sort of mood light the art, just different points of light in the room.
Great.
Nailed it. Right beside the bedroom, there's an ensuite bathroom. It's teeny tiny. There was nothing wrong with it before. It was just a bit dark.
It was a little neglected.
Little bit.
Yes.
But we knew we could tackle it while we were doing the bedroom, so we did.
Adding the wallpaper from Debo just totally brightened it up.
Yes, that sunshine yellow, which we picked up from the bedroom, brought into the bathroom. So sweet.
We just pulled it together with a few bathroom items from IKEA and a really cute little rug, and it feels brand new.
Getting a good night's sleep is really important. It's
Right.
important for your health, for your well-being.
Right. Just getting rid of the clutter and the detritus and the clothes and the books and putting some order into things, I think is gonna feel amazing. An amazing way to go to sleep and wake up. It's just beautiful. I mean, I'm gonna sleep here. I really think it's really lovely.
You can't sleep.
I know.